Okay, here is the product review for the Wacky Wake-up TIMEX Alarm Clock. It's pretty neat. It has your time set here and all the buttons that you need. Snooze button up here, volume, alarm on. So I'm gonna put it in demo mode so you can hear what it does and see. It has several different accents and voices that it uses when it wakes you up in the morning. Let's see, here's one.
Well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button one more time, I'm gonna have to open up a six-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you?
And then when it does it in the morning, it does it far longer than that. The vibrating anyway.
Nita, you gotta get up. Drop the pillow. Just do what I say and drop the pillow. Drop the pillow. My Uncle Anthony used to sleep late. You know that? Alarm goes off, bada bing, snooze. Alarm goes off, bada boom, snooze. You know what we call Uncle Anthony now? The late Uncle Anthony. Oh my goodness, it's time
This is
to
my
wake
favorite
up, you
one.
sleepy person. Yes, yes right, get out of bed. You cannot hit that sleep button. Do not hit that snooze button. It is time to get up. There is no more time for snoozing. Up, up, up. Hello, sleepyhead. Rise and shine. Good morning. Up, 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 up. Good morning, sunshine. Buongiorno, bambino, huh? Why you treat me with no respect? You can get out of that bed, or I can come in and get you out of that bed. Capiche? Now, where's my cannoli? Your Honor, like I always say, if the alarm don't quit, up you must get. My client cannot be expected to wake up in these circumstances. They are deplorable, undependable, inexcusable, unreliable, and unquintessential. Well, I tell you what, you hit that there.
Okay, I think we did that one already.
Drop the pillow. Just do what I say.
Anyway, one thing that I did was I found something with to put it on, because it'll keep vibrating and vibrating and vibrating and eventually fall off the table. So I actually found a table with sides on it, raised sides, so it wouldn't fall off. Anyway, this thing is pretty cool. I'm not exactly sure how much it costs, but I like it. My son actually hates it. It's his alarm clock. He hates it because it's so effective and it vibrates and he really doesn't like it, but it works for him. It wakes him up in the morning, and then you know you can hit the snooze button. So it's called the Wacky Wake Up. I'm trying to get it in focus, but it doesn't want to focus. Anyway.